Hey Kitty fam, winter is just around the corner, which means it's time for a skincare refresh. And I've been making this video every year for the last 4 years to get you ready for the season. And I'm so excited for this year's winter skincare checklist because I have so many things to share with you and I missed you all so much. So grab your warm drink and a blanket, get cozy, and let's begin with this video. Let's kick off this winter skincare checklist with something that's not a skincare, but I never do my skincare routine without wearing these. I got this adorable set of headband and wristbands, and this is a game changer, especially in winters. You know that wet cold feeling when the water drips down your arms while washing your face? Yeah, I hate it. But these wristbands soak all the water, so no more wet sleeves. It's such a small thing but makes a huge difference. I love this feeling. If you're searching for the best face wash for dull winter skin, then you'll want to add Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide Simply Bright Face Wash to your checklist. It's the newest addition to the viral Rice Water and Niacinamide range. The texture is milky and it lathers beautifully, cleansing the skin deeply. I've noticed that many face washes do clean your skin but take away the natural glow of your skin. But this face wash adds a healthy, bright glow to your skin because it has niacinamide, which is known for its brightening effect. Plus, it leaves my skin so soft and smooth because it has rice water. So this is perfect for all skin types and it gets your skin ready for layering the next winter must-have. My next two winter must-have picks are from this brand I Am From, which is a Korean brand, and I have become obsessed with the skincare products. So this is I'm From Honey Mask. It's not a sleeping mask but a wash off mask. So I apply it for 10 to 20 minutes and then wash it off. It has a cream brulee texture, which I love, and it contains 38.7% honey, pure honey, not the honey extract, sourced from Jiri Mountain in South Korea. So I thought it will just be hydrating, but to my surprise, it removed my blackheads and whiteheads. It removed the dead skin cells from my skin, leaving a silk-like glow on my skin. It is so luxurious. Let's talk about the viral skincare product that is totally worth the hype. It is I Am From Rice Toner. It has 77.8% rice extract, which is well loved for its skin brightening properties. Plus, it has a unique double layer texture, water plus emulsion of 2 layers. So you have to mix it well before applying it on your skin. So it works for all skin types and it's alcohol and fragrance free, which is always a plus. And do you see the glow? I just used a very tiny amount of it. My next winter skincare pick is Wishtrend Propolis Energy Calming Ampule. Now this has 15% propolis extract, which is a versatile ingredient. So it fights the acne, plus it soothes and hydrates the skin deeply. Plus it has 59% Houttuynia cordata, which is a part of lizard tail plant family. So it's detoxifying on the skin and perfect for the acne prone and sensitive skin types. So it's not very lightweight or very heavy. It's perfect in the middle. That's why I'm recommending it for the winter. I love to use it when my skin is feeling dry and flaky, like when you have those dry patches. I love it then. Moisturizers also need a refresh when the weather gets a little chilly. I switch to ceramide moisturizers. I have a very affordable and 1% ceramide moisturizer recommendation, and it's the Plum Oat and 1% ceramide Barrier Love moisturizer. It has 1% ceramide complex, which is basically ceramides, fatty acids, cholesterol in a 2:1:1 ratio, which mimics your skin's natural barrier. Texture is nourishing and super moisturizing. It sinks right into the skin and leaves no greasiness. My skin feels so soft and supple after using this moisturizer. One winter must do for me is adding a face oil in my night skincare routine, and this year I am using the Ordinary Rosehip Seed Oil. It's gentle and perfect for all skin types. It's rich in omega fatty acids, vitamin A and C, and I don't think I need to tell you that rosehip seed oil is a powerhouse ingredient. It reduces fine lines, wrinkles, fades dark spots and blemishes, hydrates, brightens and promotes the skin regeneration. It does it all. Apply it after your moisturizer to lock in the hydration for those chilly winter nights. Okay, so for sunscreen recommendations, I have two, and first one is the Ultralight Invisible Sunscreen by COS RX. This is lightweight but also hydrating on the skin, so it works for the winter time. But if you're looking for much more hydrating sunscreen, then go for the Beauty of Just Sun Relief Sun plus Probiotics SPF 50. Okay, so you also have to show extra love and care to your lips during winter season, and I love these lip glowy balms by Laneige. I have the flavor vanilla, which is my favorite yet, I think. I also ordered the flavor candy. Both of these are newly launched flavors in India, and I have been loving vanilla, which is like perfect for the winter season. Everything vanilla, I love it. So cozy, so warm. These are my newest recommendations for the winter, but if you want more options in different budgets, then do watch my other winter skincare videos, which I will link in my description box, and they're still going strong. But for those stubborn, dry, chapped lips which won't go away during winters, I highly recommend these Laneige lip sleeping mask. So I got this kit. This is the Midnight Minis set of 5, and I love their watermelon and their gummy bear flavor. But let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite, and it's only for 1250 rupees. Now let's talk about some of my favorite body care for this winter season. So I'm loving these two body washes. This is by Dove Glow Recharge 3% brightening serum plus vitamin C. It has 3% brightening serum, which is a combination of vitamin C exfoliants such as AHAs and BHAs plus hydrating ingredients like glycerine and hyaluronic acid. So this is like, it brightens, it hydrates, and it exfoliates the dead skin cells from your body. So really good actually. And my other favorite, it's the Plum Body Loving Vanilla Caramello body wash. Now this smells as good as their body lotion, which is like so viral right now. It smells so nutty like pistachio and so sweet and salty like salted caramel. Next, I've ordered the Plum Body Loving Marshmallow Melt Body Lotion. I haven't tried it yet, but I have a hunch it's gonna be my next favorite body lotion. It's supposed to smell like cozy cocoa marshmallow, which is so winter coated. I'm gonna review it as soon as I receive it, so don't forget to subscribe. Okay, next favorite, body butter. It's a body butter. It's by Sol de Janeiro Delicia Drench Body Butter. It has a sugary sweetness to it, which is very comforting during winter chilly days. So this is a rich whipped body butter, which is very different from their body creams like Boom Boom Cream. They are much more lightweight, but this is not heavy. It doesn't leave any greasiness, but it does deeply nourish and moisturize your skin, which you need for the winter time. Kiddies, I'm so sorry. ढोलक बज रही है because किसी की शादी हुई है. So I hope you don't mind. I'm like, so for body oil, you need to add body oils in your skincare routine. If you are applying body lotions and they're not working and you're still wondering like what else can I do, you need to add body oils, okay? And I really wish that Plum launch their vanilla caramello body oil, which can become my next favorite. If you're looking for an all-in-one skincare routine, go for the COS RX Snail All-in-One Kit. It has everything, especially their Snail 92 All-in-One Cream. It's my favorite nighttime cream. It just locks in all the moisture, and whenever I wake up in the morning, my skin feels so soft and plump, like it has taken 5 years off my skin. And another favorite product is the Propolis Honey Overnight Mask. This is so lightweight. Some days I use it as a moisturizer in the daytime. You just need to use a lesser amount than you usually do for your moisturizers, and your skin will be hydrated and soft for whole day. So it's not sticky, it just goes into your skin and you can't even feel it. And all of the honey products that I have mentioned in my video, all of them are lightweight, not on the heavier side, so they don't leave that sticky feeling. Which takes me to the last pick of this winter skincare checklist, and it's a Juicy Chemistry Lemon and Lavender Bath Salt. Pepper yourself with bath salts for this winter and you will thank me. If you love the natural winter rosy cheeks and rosy lips, then you're gonna love the Benefit Benetint, because it leaves a very natural looking rosy flush to your lips and your cheeks. I also wanted to mention 2 of my cozy reads which will get you through the colder months of the year.
Part 1. The Cookie Crumbles. Nothing says we're entering Christmas season like a November pick out the perfect Christmas tree. I mean, is there anything more festive or more romantic than that?
So this book series is an Audible original, Mistletoe Murders. Trust me, it's not at all murdery. It's not dark. It's actually very sweet, and it's more about the protagonist who is solving crimes in her small town, and it's very sweet. She has a little secret, and she has two cute cats. It's narrated by Kobe Smulders, and I just loved every bits of this book. It's so festive, so perfect for the November December time. So this is the Very Secret Society of Irregular Witches. This is by Sangu Mandana. Let me read a little bit of it so it will give you an idea what to expect. As one of the few witches in Britain, Mika Moon knows she has to hide her magic, keep her head down, and stay away from other witches so their powers don't mingle and draw attention. And as an orphan who lost her parents at a young age and was raised by strangers, she's used to being alone, and she follows the rules, with one exception: an online account where she posts videos pretending to be a witch. She thinks no one will take it seriously. But someone does. An unexpected message arrives, begging her to travel to the remote and mysterious Nowhere House to teach three young witches how to control their magic. The handsome and prickly librarian of Nowhere House would do anything to protect the children, and as far as he's concerned, a stranger like Mika is a threat. An irritatingly appealing threat. It's a witchy, cozy, comfy read for November. I actually read it last year. I loved it so much. I would sit in the winter sun, have my warm coffee, and read the few pages of this book. It's such a cozy read. And that's all for today's video, kitties. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe, share, like this video. I will be seeing you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, kitties. Take care. Happy winters.